Welcome to a fairly strange video. I had a pretty full-on weekend in terms of RC. Started off with night racing at TFDR. Saturday we had the Velodrome event, which was insane. It was amazing. It's one of the most fun I've had in RC in a very long time. What happened was I'm new with this. My nerves got the best of me, and just couldn't find myself to take the camera out for quite a bit of it. It's a compilation of 2 days worth of RC action. I've tried my best to piece together all the random clips that I have into some sort of a coherent video. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I'm sorry. So the day hasn't even started. Michael's broke his car. Oh yeah, by the way, this is Michael from Los I mentioned in the last video.
A wise man, John, said, go hard or go home. And also another wise man said, yep, pin it, you bitch.
That's Lucifer. His Tamiya got a scratch, so he didn't want to bring it. So that's the Sprint. I figured I'd run something a little bit cheaper, so it's easier to fix if I do pin it.
This is not my car, so if I break it...
Yeah, that's my car. White.
10 plus years since we last did this, and back then we got about 15 people. We've got a lot more this time, and hopefully this can continue. I know Nick from Hearns, who's been a very good supporter of this event, would like to see it go on, as would I, Tony and Jim, who are working with me to get this running. So it won't be every month. It's the sort of thing we might run 2 or 3 times a year at max. If you do it too often, you get sick of it, and you don't want to be spending $1,200 on an infraction every couple of months. It's a little bit expensive. This is going to be a really, really casually run meeting because I'm lazy and I don't want to have to do any work. It's hard enough just sitting in this chair.
Very keen to see this thing run. So this is the dual motor, dual speedy, obviously, 6-wheeler, fully custom. Love it.
Yeah, even in the infraction, if there's a big car, you can, as it comes down over these, bang, 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 bang.
There's my Sprint. Lost the rear belt. Front wheel drive only. I don't know how that's gonna go.
going. Oh!
Alright. Let's see what it does, front wheel drive.
Michael, Hassan.
And then
Hassan's a bit loose.
Hassan driving?
Yeah, yeah. Michael's the orange one, Hassan's behind him.
Oh, okay. That sounds like an XPI.
It is. Sprint 2.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
The buttons on the speed.
Hassan's pretty good driving.
He's not bad. He's not bad.
No, you did not, bitch.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Too many people in the track. Way too many. Did something come off? I think I saw something fly off it. I think half the body's gone. Did something come off it?
Sound right, boys.
Oh, really? It didn't fly off. Got stuck. Half the body. Half the body got sheared off. That was front wheel drive. Didn't have the rear belt. So I'm curious to see what it did.
Not as quick.
106.
That's 106 days.
Needs less gear, more cell. So that definitely needs less cell. That's on 6 cell. How'd your infraction go? You didn't run in the large scale.
No.
Why not?
Hell no.
Okay.
I'll break my shit and everyone else's.
It sound right, boys.
That was close.